Hello everyone, welcome to this video on what is SaaS. SaaS is a game changer for the world of technology. Instead of having to install software on your own computer or pay for expensive licenses, SaaS allows you to access a variety of software applications and services over the internet on demand. Think of SaaS as a buffet of software options where you only pay for what you eat. You can try out different applications and services as needed without having to worry about the cost of licenses or the hassle of installation. In the tech world, software as a service is changing the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. No longer do we need to install software on our own computers, pay for expensive licenses. Instead, SaaS provides access to a wide range of software applications and services over the internet on demand. From email and project management to HR and customer relationship management, SaaS offers solutions for just about every aspect of your business or personal life. This delivery model has become increasingly popular due to its increased efficiency, flexibility, and cost savings. Let us now understand what is the SaaS architecture. Now, the SaaS architecture is built on a multi-tier model which includes the front-end tier. Now, this tier is responsible for presenting the user interface and handling user interactions. It typically consists of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, along with other front-end frameworks and libraries. The second is the application tier. Now, the application tier is responsible for executing the business logic and performing the data processing. It is typically built using a combination of programming languages and frameworks. The third and the last tier is the database tier. Now, this database tier is responsible for storing and retrieving data. It is typically implemented using a relational database management system, NoSQL databases, or a combination of both. Now that we have discussed what are the components of SaaS architecture, let us now move on to understand the types of SaaS software. Now, broadly speaking, there are two types of SaaS software. Number one is the vertical SaaS, and number two is the horizontal SaaS. A horizontal SaaS is a structure well used by established cloud services such as Salesforce, Microsoft, Slack, HubSpot, etc. The horizontal model allows big businesses to cater to a broad customer base, from ranging industries to run their business effectively and efficiently. On the other hand, vertical SaaS solutions are created to target a specific or niche industry. Examples include insurance, trade, or an underserved industry. The model focuses on the industry's verticals and creates solutions for the niche industry's pain points and needs. So that's all for today's session on what is SaaS. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from us.